Q10. What are the type of events into Salesforce Lightning component? Answer. Application event. Scope of this event is throughout the Lightning app, and any component which has registered for this event would get a notification. Component event. Scope of this event is within itself or the parent component of this event. All the components declared within the parent component would get notified of this event. System event. These are the events fired by Salesforce's system during the life cycle of the Lightning app. For more information, Salesforce. Visit our website and YouTube channel.